Hi everyone and welcome back. In this video I am going to show you how to download a Windows 7 image and how to install it on VirtualBox. Without delay, let's start. Open your favorite browser, search for Internet Archive. Open this website. On the search, type here Windows 7 ISO. Go. Here we have a different type of Windows 7, but I recommend to download the first one. This file is around 5 gig. Click on download. I have already downloaded this image. Then we need to download the VirtualBox. Search for virtualbox.org. Hit enter. Get started. Download. Here is different version of VirtualBox for different operating system like Windows, Mac, Linux. Download VirtualBox depend on your operating system. Then install it. It is so easy. Just click next. When you download and install these two software, then open your VirtualBox. For installing Windows 7 on VirtualBox, create a new VirtualBox. Write here one name like Windows 7. On type, make sure to select Microsoft Windows. On version, select Windows 7 64 or 32, depend on your image. Then finished. Here click on settings. 2 gig memory is enough for Windows 7. If you have, you can select more. I have 16. I want to select 4 gig. Then come to system, leave everything as default, come to display. Here you can select 128 video memory, leave as default, come to storage. Here you need to select or add your Windows 7 ISO. Click on empty. Here is CD icon. Click here. Choose a disk file. My Windows 7 ISO is on desktop. Select your ISO. Open. OK. Now it is ready to start. Click on start. Wait a few moments. The VirtualBox will load your Windows 7 file. Okay. Loading files. Guys, don't forget to like this video. If you are new here, subscribe the channel for more useful content like this. Here, leave everything as default. Click on next, or you can change the keyboard. It is okay for me. Next. Install Windows 7. Select the operating system you want to install. I want to select this one. Next. Maybe this page is different on your system. Just select one. Then here accept the license. Next. Select custom install Windows only. Here we have OneDrive. It is around 32 gig. It is okay. Next. This step will take a few moments. Your system will restart several times. Enter username. Next. Enter password. confirm password or repeat password, type of password, next, use recommended setting, configure your time, next. You can select any type you want, public network, work network, home network. I want to select home network. Now it is installed successfully. If you want, you can full screen it, come to device, click on insert ghost, open file explorer, come to computer. Now virtualization tools is available here, open it. Install VirtualBox tool depend on your system. It is 64-bit for me. Double click. In this step, click on next, next, install. After installation, your system will restart. Then you will have a full screen. Guys, I hope you enjoy from this video. Have a good time. See you soon.